Today, I'm diving deep into Dave Ramsey's biggest credit card mistake, and I'm challenging myself to see if I can avoid making the same error. Dave Ramsey is a well-known financial expert who has helped millions of people get out of debt and build wealth, and he's always been vocal about his disdain for credit cards, viewing them as a tool that can lead people down a path of financial trouble. People often get into trouble with credit cards because they don't understand how they work or they use them as a way to extend their income, rather than living within their means. Credit card companies make money by charging interest on outstanding balances, so they have a vested interest in getting people to spend more than they can afford. Even experts like Dave Ramsey can make mistakes with credit cards, and it's these mistakes that can be particularly insightful for the rest of us. Many people struggle with credit card debt because they don't have a clear understanding of their own financial situation, or they lack the discipline to stick to a budget. Credit cards can be a convenient way to make purchases, but they can also lead to overspending and financial difficulties. The key to avoiding credit card pitfalls is to be aware of the potential dangers and to have a solid plan in place for managing debt. Credit card companies use all sorts of tactics to get people to sign up for their cards and to keep them spending, from offering rewards and bonuses to using persuasive marketing campaigns. It's easy to get caught up in the hype and to lose sight of the potential risks, but it's essential to stay focused and to prioritize financial stability. By being mindful of the potential pitfalls and taking steps to avoid them, people can use credit cards responsibly and avoid getting into financial trouble. Dave Ramsey's biggest credit card mistake was using credit cards as a way to finance his business ventures, rather than saving up the cash to invest. He ended up accumulating a significant amount of debt, which ultimately led to financial hardship. He's spoken publicly about the mistake and has used it as a teaching tool to help others avoid making the same error. The experience taught him the importance of living below his means and avoiding debt whenever possible. Ramsey's mistake was a costly one, but it also taught him a valuable lesson about the dangers of debt and the importance of financial responsibility. He's used the experience to help others avoid making the same mistake, and his teachings have helped millions of people get out of debt and build wealth. The key takeaway from his mistake is that debt should be avoided at all costs, and that living below one's means is essential for achieving financial stability. The lesson from Dave Ramsey's credit card mistake is that financial responsibility is essential for achieving long-term financial stability. By prioritizing saving and investing, and avoiding debt whenever possible, people can build wealth and achieve their financial goals. It's a lesson that's applicable to everyone, regardless of their financial situation, and it's one that can have a significant impact on their overall financial well-being. The key insight that emerged from Ramsey's mistake is that financial responsibility is a critical component of achieving financial freedom. By being mindful of the potential pitfalls of credit cards and taking steps to avoid them, people can use credit cards responsibly and avoid getting into financial trouble. The experience also highlights the importance of learning from mistakes and using them as an opportunity for growth and improvement. In conclusion, Dave Ramsey's biggest credit card mistake serves as a reminder of the importance of financial responsibility and the dangers of debt. By prioritizing saving and investing, and avoiding debt whenever possible, people can build wealth and achieve their financial goals. The experience also highlights the importance of learning from mistakes and using them as an opportunity for growth and improvement. Today's video highlighted the importance of being aware of the potential pitfalls of credit cards and taking steps to avoid them. If you've had any experiences with credit cards, whether good or bad, be sure to share them in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our next video for more financial tips and tricks.